Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillify. Today I'll be sharing you some like one or two shortcuts how to do those things quickly, whatever you are performing and taking time and all. Second thing is like we'll be talking about how to link the elements in the particular sheet, right? So let's start with the video. So for example, right now I have a table in front of me that is I have price recorded over here, the revenue is there. Let's say I need to insert a column in between this price and revenue. So how can I do that by the help of the any shortcut or something? So I can click to this section. What I need to do is Control Shift plus. I need to press Control Shift plus. That this tab will be in front of me. This dialog box. That you can just click on this insert. Also you can get it, but the shortcut are something which is helpful to for your muscle memory also. So that is very helpful. Now I need to insert the entire column. I will click on it and I will just hit on OK. Now see a new column get inserted, right? So this is the way you can just add the column. The shortcut is Control plus Shift plus, basically Control plus Shift and then plus sign you have to press, right? Now if I move to the second part, that is link a sheet or other element. What I mean by it, for example, let's say I am inserting a small, let's go to a icon. Okay, let's pick out an icon. Any random one. Okay, I'm taking this and I'm inserting this icon. So I have this icon over here. What I want is, let's say I have this ed column is there, right? I have some other sheets in my workbook and all. So what I want is whenever someone will click on this particular icon, this click will lead him or her to the other sheet, right? So I'm linking it. So what I can do is I will click on it. I will press Control K. Control K is the shortcut to insert a hyperlink to connect something from the other part. Now see, on the left hand side, you have a lot of options out there. So it is saying that existing file or web page where you want to link it. So my purpose right now is to link this in the same document. So second option is there, place in this document. So click on it and it will show you the options available. Now these are the options available. What are those? So sorry. The options are, so add column is my sheet name, right? So do you want to just link this particular icon to the add column or some other area? So I want to add this icon to the add column. I will select this and I will just press on OK. That's all. Now see, whenever you will just hover your cursor over it, it will become a clickable thing. And when I click on it, it will lead me to the other slide, other sheet, right? The same way you can, when you press Control K is there, right? Control K to insert the hyperlink. You can change it. You can just add something. For example, let me just show you one more example of that. I am inserting mail right now. I need to put a mail. So I can just go to the icon. We can search out for the mail. Okay, it is taking time. Now we can search out for the mail. Okay, let's take this one, insert it. Now, what I want is when someone will click on it, so it will take him or her to a specific email address so that they can just message or they can just put their email somewhere. So what I can do is simple Control K shortcut. Now I can just go to the fourth option, that is email address. Click on it and give an email which you want to attach to this one, right? So for example, ABC, okay, mail to ABC @gmail.com, something this way you have put it. Just click on OK. When someone will click on this link, right, and it will lead them to the mail part, right? Welcome to the mail and all those things. So this is the way you can link the sheet. You can link the one sheet to the another sheet. You can link the element. So these things will actually help when you create the reports or the dashboard parts and all those things. Yeah, so that's all about this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Just like the video, share it, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.